Okay, so welcome back, guys. I hope you are having a great trading today because the market is still running. It's only 1 hour from the market open, and this is the stock. Let's go through my watch list first. The first stock I bought yesterday was Cochin Shipyard, and it is currently pulling back. Not a big position here. And the next stock I bought yesterday. Yes, I bought it on yesterday. My entry was 16, 17 something like area. 16, 17, and it popped 8% through, 9% throughout the day. Then DBL, as you know, I am holding it for a very long time, and I thought it will trigger my stop loss on this day, but it didn't, and it made a 7.5% move, and it is currently going up. Same for Kotari Petrochemical. You know, I was holding it from this day, and it is going up. And the next stock I was holding was Vokex. I discussed with you guys like I sold around 772 and it went higher, so currently it is pulling back. So you know, most of the positions I took. And the stock which I bought early in the morning was this one. My entry is something like 1879. I bought on the open itself, so my stop is this one, 1882, and if it goes up, I will raise my stop here, so I will literally lose nothing, close to nothing in this stock. So that's how the positions work. So today's topic will be how to find such type of setups and how to trade them. These are extremely profitable setups. You will get around 27% accuracy in a bear market. Okay, in a bear market, and 30 plus. These are all back tested, and I personally trade this type of setup each year. Last year I made around last year my accuracy with this setup was 27% with 7:1 risk to reward. I trade more than 6 or 7 RR trade only, and in bullish you get 30 plus with almost 10 R type of trades. Okay, so these are extremely profitable setups, so you should keep in your arsenal. And accuracy is low as compared to 50%. I don't have that much accuracy. This year my accuracy is even less than 20%, but I've still made a lot of money by trading 10, 20, 30 type 30R type of trades. Bokex recently traded live with you guys. It was almost 15R trade. Okay, so that's how the account grows. You don't need to have too much accuracy. I literally had 37 losses in a line this year, but I also traded Mazdog here. On this day I bought it. It literally went 150%, and I made over 30, 40 or something like that. I don't know, like 50 R, like 2% and 75 R type of trade. So it makes up all the losses. You just have to catch one or two of them, and you are all set for the year. So you don't need 50% accuracy. You don't even need 40% accuracy. You need 20, 25% type of accuracy, and you will be way more profitable than these option traders who just sell courses. And believe me, guys, swing trading in cash stocks is way better than trading options. You know what is happening currently in this trading community, that fraud is happening, so you know all the things which are going. So I am still trading cash from the past 8 years, and I will continue to do so. And I made consistently good amount of money each year by using only cash trading. don't need too much of accuracy and too much of volatility and too much of what we say margin to make money. You just need consistency. Okay, so first let's look at how the stock setups looks like. So just focus on where I point out my arrow. Okay, see, whenever the first criteria should be the stock should be in an extremely bullish environment. So how to scan that I will tell you. You just take a screenshot, because I am not going to share you my scanner, but I will show you, because most of the times I change it, so you will miss some of them. So it's better to take a screenshot of this. Okay, so I will keep it running for 5 to 10 seconds. So this is my scanner. The first one is the this one. This indicates the minimum volatility, minimum volume. I need at least 200,000 shares traded a day on average, and at least 100,000 shares traded in a day. Then, as discussed earlier, see this. We want at least this type of 2 candles, extremely tight. Okay, where there is almost negligible movement here. So I scanned it accordingly. Latest close is less than 1 day ago high, and latest close greater than 1 day ago low. So you can see this one close is greater than previous day's low. This day's close is less than previous day's high. So it is inside, not completely an inside bar, but an inside close day. We want that type of thing. Then we need a momentum, so that's why I use 10 day greater than 20 and 20 day greater than 50. This is a basic one. Then we also want close to be at least about 20 day. This orange line is 20 period EMA. We want the stock's close should be greater than that. Then stock's close should be less than max 20 day close. Okay, this is just a basic filter so that we don't get something like this and this, or candles which are extremely we don't want stocks which looks like this here on this. We want most of the things which looks stocks which are currently here in these zones. Okay. And the next one, latest close greater than max. This one we discussed. Okay, so both are same, so I have to delete it. Then the next one is momentum criteria. Okay, so just take a screenshot of this, and I will put the link of this scan in the description also. But just understand the basic scanning approach I am doing, what I want and how the stock should look like. Then I need a momentum criteria, latest SMA close 7 by latest SMA 65, which is termed as TI 65, which is made famous by Stockbee. 65. He uses this to find momentum stocks, so I copied it from him. You can see it has to be above 1.05, but for extreme momentum it should be above 1.19. Okay, so this one is this. Then other than thing, latest close should be greater than at least 50. I don't want to trade stocks which are extremely low priced, because I can't do size on them. I want to go at least, usually I trade 1 or 2 lakh type of shares which are below 100 rupees, so I can do size on them less than that. So you found what we say momentum. We found out the stocks which is in the scanner, and now the first thing we want to look is how the stock should look before we buy it. Okay, so preferably the stock should be in an inside day. Okay, something like that, 1 and 2. stock should be building an inside day for 1 or 2 days. 1 day is also okay, and then 90% of the work will be done by our scanner, so you don't have to do other work. So again here, at our stop loss, we will enter next day. Suppose we find this stock on this day, we enter on this day, and our stop loss will be this. So our stop is 3.2%. Your potential gain is 11.72%, which is roughly 4 hours. Again, same here. Suppose we found out this stock in here, so we buy it immediately in the morning next day. Top loss is 3.25%. We use 10-day EMF for a trailing stock, so mostly 15%, which is 5 hours. Same here. Suppose we found out here, so by buying it on this day will result in around 15%, like I did on the, because I am holding it, so I bought it on this day. So 15%, and my stop was 2.69%, so it is roughly 6-7 hour type of trade already. Okay, so accuracy is low, but it is rewarding. Let's check BSC. I took this trade on this day. Okay, so this was not a complete inside bar, but it was tight. You can see it only traded 1.27% on this day, so it was extremely tight. We can add a filter like it should trade only less than 2% type of thing. I will add and share with you guys, so don't worry. It made an inside day and it broke out. We had a stop of only less than 2%, and it made 24.8% return, so which is roughly 10%. Again, I didn't find this on this day because it didn't came in my scanner, but 2.67% risk and 18% reward, so which is roughly 6-7 hour type of trade again, not 6 hours. So that's how you have to find the stock. Use the scanner, look for tightness, look like this one. Okay, so I will add another criteria. Percentage change should be less than 2%. Less than 2%. Similarly for bottom, minus 2% should be greater than this. So we will again narrow down our watch list. Today I bought a stock on the opening 2-3 minutes only. You can see it was forming an inside day. It made less than 1% of move here. I bought it as soon as the market opened, but I got filled around 1874-1876 area. So it's not making too much of a move, but my stop is here. Okay, so thank you guys for today's video. If you find this video helpful, so please leave a like, and if you have some doubts, so please leave a comment on the video. I will try to answer it. Thank you.